From the 4th of the 4th month of 1437, as I record this, it is the 4th of the 3rd month of 1443. Paint Spiritual Exercise and Lesson 9 of Eckankar 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp. Page 206 of Eckankar 2 Discourses has a Turkish construction worker showing a mulatto man something shiny in dirt that pleases them both. Now it's hard to tell from a black and white illustration and whatnot how much black and how much white a person is, so I'm not necessarily saying that by that, but you know. The caption sort of exaggerates the situation in the terms of if it were real life. Finding something valuable in the ground wouldn't need, it's said, to keep it clean from now on. It might be arrogance to make sure it is displayed, though, and perhaps a certain risk. Now, I'm not sharing of my books and stuff to brag. I'm sharing these things to benefit people. But, you know, if I find out that the used book is worth different than a few dollars, like if you add a few zeros or something to it, I probably wouldn't publicly mention that. It's more about the message and the, you know, what I can do with the book than that, you know.